Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the built-in Sticky app or a simple note utility is available and active. This saves time compared with third-party clutter. Open the app now and create a new note with the plus button or the new note shortcut. Once open, name the note briefly and set color and size so it's visible at a glance. Doing this early makes later organization faster. Make sure to place the note where it won't hide important windows while remaining easy to reach. Next, organize your notes by task so they function like tiny Kanban cards. You should use one note per item and keep only 3 to 5 visible at once to avoid overwhelm. Once done, pin essential notes to stay on top and add reminders or alarms where the app allows. This turns passive text into active prompts. Make sure to group related notes by color or screen region so your eyes learn the pattern. That reduces search time and keeps workflows smooth during long sessions. Finish by saving or syncing your notes so they persist across restarts. Export a backup if the app supports it. You should add short titles or tags to each note so search retrieves them quickly. This is especially helpful once many notes accumulate. If a note vanishes, check app permissions, disabled startup, or accidental minimization. These are common causes. Finally, make sure automatic updates don't reset preferences. Adjust settings and test recovery to avoid future data loss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.